Presentation text English grammar topics for technology contexts. Opening scene, wave to camera, show ITS campus background or logo briefly. Hi everyone. I am your name. From your study program SDI RPL FASTI. At Institute Technology Sepula November ITS. Today we diving into key English grammar concepts all tied to technology for our Bahasa Inggris 15C final exam presentation. Let us get started. A. Linking verbs vs action verbs. First up, linking verbs and action verbs. Definition. Linking verbs connect the subject to more information about it, for example, is, seem, become, while action verbs describe doable activities, for example, develop, program, transmit. Pattern. Linking verb subject 加 linking verb 加 complement. Action verb subject 加 action verb 加 object adverb. Time signals used now, currently for present state action, already, recently for past. Examples, technology focused. Positive, this new software is user friendly. Linking verb. Engineers develop AI tools daily, action verb. Negative. The system isn't compatible with old devices. Teams don't rush updates without testing. Interrogative, is cloud storage secure? Do companies prioritize data privacy? How to analyze. Identify if the verb describes a state or an action, then check sentence structure. B. Relative clauses. Next, relative clauses. Definition clauses starting with who, which, that, where to add details about a noun. Pattern. Restrictive, essential noun 加 relative pronoun 加 clause. Non-restrictive, extra info noun 加 relative pronoun 加 clause. Time signals, when for time-related nouns. Where for places. Examples, technology focused. Positive, the laptop that has 16 GB RAM runs smoothly. Restrictive, our lab, where we test prototypes, has high-speed internet. Non-restrictive. Negative, the device which doesn't support 5G is being phased out. The programmer, who isn't available today, wrote this code. Interrogative, which server that stores customer data needs maintenance? Who is the designer whose app won the award? How to analyze, find the noun being described. Then check if the clause is necessary for meaning. See conditional sentences. Now let us talk about conditional sentences. Definition, sentences showing cause and effect. Based on conditions, there are main types. Types, patterns. 1. 0. Fact, if 加 present simple. Present simple, if you charge the battery fully, it lasts longer. 2. First, likely, if 加 present simple. Will 加 verb, if we launch the update next week, users will give feedback. 3. Second, unlikely, if 加 past simple. Would 加 verb if quantum computers were affordable. Small businesses would adopt them. 4. Third, impossible past, if 加 past perfect. Would have 加 past participle if we had backed up data. We wouldn't have lost files. Time signals, if, unless, provided that. How to analyze, check the verb tenses to identify the type. Then confirm the condition-result relationship. D. Reported speech, direct, indirect. Moving on to reported speech. Definition, rewriting what someone said. Direct uses quotes. Indirect paraphrases. Key changes, tense shifts, for example, present, past, pronoun adjustments, and time, place, words, for example, now, then, here, there. Examples, technology focused. Direct, the CEO said we will expand our IoT division now. Indirect, the CEO said that they would expand their IoT division then. Questions. Direct, do you use blockchain? She asked. Indirect, she asked if I used blockchain. Commands. Direct, update the firmware. The technician told us. Indirect, the technician told us to update the firmware. How to analyze. Compare the original statement to the reported version. Note changes in tense, pronouns, and adverbs. E. Phrasal verbs. Let us explore phrasal verbs. Definition: combinations of a verb加 preposition adverb with a unique meaning, different from the individual words. Common types in tech: separable, for example. Set up, take apart, and inseparable, for example. Look into, rely on. Examples: positive, we need to set up the new network. Arrange, engineers look into software bugs. Investigate. Negative, don't give up on improving UX, quit. The system doesn't take up much storage, occupy. Questions: how do you figure out coding errors? Solve, when will they roll out the new app? Launch. How to analyze, identify the verb加 particle combination, then match it to its context-specific meaning. F. Question tags. Last but not least, question tags. Definition: short questions added to statements to confirm information or seek agreement. Pattern: positive statement加 negative tag, negative statement加positive tag. Use auxiliary verbs from the main clause. Examples: technology focus. This gadget works with Bluetooth, 1T it. Positive statement加 negative tag. AI transforms industries, doesn't it? Negative statement加 positive tag. Data encryption isn't optional, is it? They haven't finished the server upgrade, have they? Special cases: let us test the algorithm, shall we? Suggestion: he is a cybersecurity expert, isn't he? With linking verb. How to analyze: check the main clause as tense and polarity. Positive and negative to form the correct tag. Closing scene: smile at camera, show its logo again. And that is a wrap. We covered linking verbs, relative clauses, conditionals, reported speech, phrasal verbs, and question tags, all with tech examples. Remember, this is for our Bahasa Inggris 15C final exam at ITS. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out this video on YouTube, and the link will be submitted to e-learning too. See you next time. Thanks to you only.